I'm Natsumi with fitYOGAfit. Let's begin. Okay, now just relax your upper body and bend over. And you can bend your knees. Okay, feet about hip distance. And here, let's hug your elbows. And just relax. Just gently sway your head to the side. And you may feel good to relax and stretch the lower back. And relax. Just to stay there. Just naturally breathe. And let gravity taking care of the stretch. And from here, just relax, release your arms. And now, just touch your knee all the way down to the knees. And then even elbows down here. Okay. You can just keep your hands there or maybe hug like a handshake together. And just look up. Try to stretch. And roll your back. Arch your back. You may feel good to create space in the spine. And then roll your back. You can do it even on the bed before going to bed. Even move your neck sideways if you want to. And don't worry about too much of like breathing. Just naturally breathe. And try to stretch your back. And now, even widen your knees and toes touching. And sit on your heel. And just here, relax your head. And just stay there. Just stay there and then naturally breathe. Like your regular breathing. You can stay there as long as you want. At some point, when you feel like you want to change the position, now let's laying down on your back. And hook your left leg over your right knee. And just try to hug your right thigh anywhere. And just stay there. Just stay there. You can take this pose even while you are sitting down on the sofa and watching some show. Or just while you are laying down on the bed. You can listen to some story. And at some point, let's switch and do the other side. Same thing, just hook over and grab somewhere. Doesn't have to be thigh, could be knee or shin. Stay there as long as you need. And at some point, let's release. And both knees just drop to the right. And you can put your arms anywhere by the side, somewhere comfortable. And look to the opposite side. And just stay there. You can relax, listen to the music or some story. And when you feel good, let's do the opposite side. Just bring your knees to opposite side. And you can keep your arms same position and look to the opposite side. Only thing you have to pay attention is just to breathe naturally. And if you can, try to relax. And getting back to center. Now just bring your knee across your chest. And just kinda push your knees. Like I can play around. Kinda it's as long as making you feel good. At some point, really try to squeeze your knee to the chest. And if you want, even you can move around your feet if you want. Then the sole of your feet, bottom of your feet, pointing to the ceiling. And then you can just hold back of your knee. And again, side to side. Nice and easy. Relax and relax and stretch your legs, stretch your arms. Now you just did yoga. That's not bad, right? So you didn't hate it. And close your eyes. You can fall in sleep or just relax. And for more like this, check out this next video. See you soon!